Spain is a wonderful place to get a job and move to. There is a lot to see, do, and enjoy and work in your field. You just need to know the work visa rules. Watch this video till the end to learn all about it. Hey everyone, I'm Behnam from the Visa Library. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, first things first. You shouldn't miss any updates. You should also download the free cheat sheet my team has prepared for a Spain work visa from the link in the description. It helps you as a roadmap along the way. Now let's begin. Before explaining the process of a Spain work visa, let me ask you this. Who is exempt from a Spain work visa? Only these countries are exempt from a Spain work visa. Members of the EU, members of the EEA, Norway, Iceland, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. Non-EU and UK nationals need a work visa and a work permit to work in Spain. Also, some groups are exempt from a work permit but need a work visa to enter Spain. University professors, technicians, scientists, people who develop scientific or cultural programs, foreign journalists, artists coming for specific programs, clergy, and trade special unions. Now that you need a work visa, how should you apply for it? First, you must get a job offer from a Spanish employer. Look for the job positions on the websites that advertise these vacancies. You can find a list of such websites in the Visa Library article from the link in the description. If you know reliable employment agencies, you can get help from them as well, or from a friend or relative inside the country to introduce you to an employer. After finding the job, the Spanish employer must apply for a work permit. You, as employee, cannot apply for a work permit. The Spanish government typically issues work permit when 1. They have identified the job as a shortage occupation. 2. There were no other suitable candidate from the EU to fill the job position. You must sign an employment contract when you find the employer and reach a deal. It's part of the supporting documents. The employer applies for a work permit to the provincial office of the Ministry of Labor. While the government is working on the work permit, they send a copy of the application with the stamp from the office responsible for the permit and file number to the employer. The employer sends this application to the Spanish embassy or consulate located in the employee's home country. The embassy will then inform the regional labor office that it has your application, and the labor office will process your application. It takes time until the labor office works on the application and decides whether to issue the work permit or not. If they agree and issue the work permit, you can apply for a work visa to the Spanish embassy in your home country. You can gather the list of supporting documents in the meantime to speed up the process. Here is a list of supporting documents. 1 is the application form. You can download a PDF sample of the application form from the link in the description. But the Spanish embassy might have a different application form. Ask them in advance before completing it. 2 is photo. A recent passport-size colored photo taken in a light background facing forward without any dark or reflective glasses is needed. Number 3 is valid passport. Original and a photocopy of the first page or pages that contain visa stamps of other countries is needed. The passport must have a minimum validity period of 1 year after your contract validity. It must have 2 blank pages and not to be older than 10 years ago either. If you have to send your passport to get the visa stick, you must submit a prepaid special delivery envelope with your full name and address. You must complete a printed version of a form and submit it along with it. You can download the form from the description. Number 4 is proof to have enough funds. Submit bank statements that show you have enough money to cover your basic needs in Spain until you receive your salary. Number 5 is work contract. A copy of your work contract is needed. Both the employee and employer must sign the work contract. It must include the work conditions and payment. Everything must be clear in it. Number 5 is clean record. Provide a clean criminal record certificate from police in your home country. Number 6 is proof to have somewhere to live or accommodation. You can ask your employer to rent a place for you, or you can do it through online websites. Number 7 is health certificate. A physician authorized by the Spanish embassy in your home country must verify that you do not suffer from any serious sickness or disease. You could not be a threat to Spain's public health. Remember to provide the translation of the certificate in Spanish. This was a general list of supporting documents, but it's not all of it. the Spanish embassy might ask for further supporting documents. It depends on your nationality and your case. Now you must schedule a meeting with the Spanish embassy in your home country to submit the documents. There is also a fee for visa processing that you must pay. It's up to your nationality and the embassy services. Ask them in advance how much it costs and how you should pay it. You must visit the embassy on the scheduled date and submit all the documents. If they ask questions, be patient and answer all of the questions. Then you must wait for visa processing. It takes time until the embassy works on your application and issues the work visa. Then they inform you to pick up the visa. They might ask you to send the passport to get the visa stick or deliver it in person. It's up to the embassy. Your visa is valid for 1 year or the duration of your employment contract, but you can extend it if the visa type allows it and you keep the employment. This was all you must know about the Spain work visa. If you have questions, write them down in the comment section. The Visa Library team will answer them. Before you leave, like this video, hit the bell, and download the free cheat sheet for a Spain work visa from the link in the description. Until the next video, thank you all for watching.